night. I think I just met my wife. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel DIY Decor with Lorna. Thank you so much for joining me once again. This week I have two DIYs for you guys. One being the ever so popular baking soda and paint combination to create like a faux ceramic look. I've done that with a vase. So I took basically a glass vase that I thrifted and I converted it into like a faux ceramic look using baking soda and paint. And then the second DIY is a corkboard that I also thrifted, and I basically repurposed that and turned it into, from a corkboard to an amazing piece of artwork for my wall. So let's get straight into those two videos. I hope you guys enjoy these.
like the colors. I like the colors.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall.
And that's the end of the video. To all my regular subscribers, thank you so much for joining once again. And to all the newbies, welcome. And I hope that you guys do stay and continue the journey with me as I create my rental apartment into a home. And I hopefully can inspire you as well. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe. And then also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post a video.